Maintaining a clean home is a top priority for many, and having the right tools can make all the difference. This Kenmore DS4095 Brushless Cordless StickVacuum is designed to meet this need with its powerful performance, versatile features, and user-friendly design. Here's an in-depth review of this impressive cleaning machine, highlighting why it might be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. One of the standout features of the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum is its lightweight construction. Weighing in at less than 6 pounds with a wand and nozzle, and under 3 pounds in handheld mode, this vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver. This makes it ideal for anyone who might struggle with heavier vacuums, such as the elderly or those with limited mobility. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, reducing strain during prolonged cleaning sessions. Equipped with a 250W brushless motor, the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum delivers an impressive 17 kPa of suction power in turbo mode. This makes it capable of handling a variety of surfaces, from hardwood floors and carpets to upholstery. The two-speed settings Eco Mode for everyday cleaning and Max Mode for more stubborn dirt provide flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. The brushless motor not only provides powerful suction, but also ensures a longer lifespan and quieter operation compared to traditional motors. With up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum offers ample time to clean large areas without interruption. The vacuum features a colorful LED battery status meter that indicates battery and charge level, allowing you to monitor power usage effectively. This ensures that you are never caught off guard by a depleted battery in the middle of a cleaning session. The Easy Reach wand is a game changer for cleaning under furniture and in tight spaces. With the push of a button, the wand flexes to allow easy access to areas that are typically difficult to reach. This feature eliminates the need to bend down or move heavy furniture, making the cleaning process much more convenient and less physically demanding. One of the common frustrations with vacuuming is the need to frequently empty the dust cup. The Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum addresses this with a 50% larger dust cup, which means you can cover more area without having to stop and empty it. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with larger homes or pets that shed a lot of hair. Dust and dirt often accumulate in dark corners and under furniture. The LED headlight on the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum illuminates these areas, ensuring that no dirt is left behind. Coupled with the swivel steering nozzle, this vacuum provides excellent maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around obstacles and into tight spaces with ease. The Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum is equipped with a HEPA filter, which captures 99–97% of dust particles, pet dander, pollen, bacteria, and other allergens down to 0.3 microns. This ensures that the air expelled by the vacuum is clean and free from harmful particles, making it an excellent choice for households with allergy sufferers or pets. The ability to convert the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum into a handheld vacuum adds to its versatility. This feature is perfect for cleaning tight spaces, upholstery, stairs, and even your car. The detachable hand vacuum is lightweight and easy to use, making it a convenient tool for quick cleanups and spot cleaning. Key features at a glance: lightweight and ergonomic, weighs less than 6 pounds, easy to maneuver. Powerful suction, 250W brushless motor with 17 kPa suction power. Extended runtime, up to 40 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. Easy Reach wand, flexes to clean underneath furniture and in tight spaces. Large dust cup, 50% larger capacity for more cleaning area. LED headlight illuminates dark corners and under furniture. HEPA filtration, captures 99–97% of allergens and dust particles. Handheld conversion, easily converts to a handheld vacuum for versatile cleaning. Conclusion: the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that offers a range of features designed to make cleaning easier and more efficient. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, extended runtime, and flexible wand make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vacuum. The additional features like the large dust cup, LED headlight, HEPA filtration, and handheld conversion add to its appeal, making it a comprehensive solution for maintaining a clean and healthy home. Invest in the Kenmore Brushless Cordless StickVacuum today and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home with less effort. This vacuum is designed to meet all your cleaning needs with power, versatility, and convenience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.